Welcome to another Naked Real Estate Market Update for the Perth metropolitan area. It's been an interesting time to say the least, with volumes and sales tending to be a little bit all over the place. But we're starting to see a bit of consistency coming back into the market, with the turnover of homes steadily increasing throughout the month of June. And it looks like that will continue for July. The median price for Australia has now reached a staggering $650,000. The reason for this is Sydney and Melbourne's markets have gone gangbusters, with price increases of between 10 and 15% just in a 12-month period. This looks like it's set to continue for a little while longer, but all the signs are that those markets are steadily starting to slow, which is a good sign for Perth, because in the overall cycle of everything that happens in Australia, the market goes from Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, then comes to Perth. So we're probably looking at an 18-month to 3-year time frame before we really see pick up in our market here. But that being said, it's a perfect time at the moment to actually trade up into a better suburb if you want, or into a much larger home. There are 9,066 homes, 3,037 units, and 2,147 lots of land available currently in the metropolitan area. The big number that we need to keep an eye on is the vacancy rate and the number of investment properties that are sitting empty at the moment. That number's sitting just over 8,000 properties. That's not as bad as we've ever seen, but it's starting to get up there. That being said, a slight shift in the mining industry will cause that number to dwindle pretty quickly. Going forward from here, the increase in population is what will take up the slack in the next 2 to 3 years, and we'll see these numbers come back down to a more medium vacancy rate of between 2.5 and 3%. If you've invested money into real estate for the long term, this shouldn't bother you at all. And most of our owners have made provision for the long-term investment in real estate. But those who have gone in for the short-term investment trying to make a quick buck might find that this market gets a bit tough to hang on to the property. Our advice to anyone sitting with an empty rental property at the moment is have a good look at what price it's on the market at. But sometimes it's not only price. As we're finding out with some of the properties we've brought on recently, we've actually managed to get them $5 or $10 a week more, or in some cases 15 or 20, just by the marketing that we've put in the background. I hope you found our latest market update helpful, and if you have any queries, give us a call or drop us a line at nakedrealestate.com.au. There have been some hard facts in this, I do realise. But that being said, Naked stands for not covering anything up. We'll see you next time. Have a great day and thank you.